Hello everyone, welcome to official channel of Unity College. Education is not just a fundamental right but also a human right covered under Article 26 of Universal Declaration of Human Right. Moreover, Honorable Supreme Court in its various judgment has not only emphasized on education but also on quality education. With this key noble objective, Unity College is providing academic excellence from last 18 years. Now we have decided to spread education and knowledge by the means of social media platform including YouTube. I, Rahul Joshi, Assistant Professor of Law, being a part of legal fraternity, will provide information regarding various legal concepts plus career guidance, which will be fruitful for everyone. Today's topic: basic feature of administrative law. The definition of administrative law has been provided by various philosophers such as Ivor Jennings, Casey Davis, Professor Wade. In simple terms, administrative law includes organization, power, duty, accountability of administrative authorities. As we know, law must be according to the changing need of the society. जैसे जैसे society change होती है, law वैसे वैसे change होता है. Earlier, there was a doctrine of laissez-faire, which means let the man be free from state control. Later on, 20th century में जब welfare state का concept आया, जिसको हम हिंदी में कल्याणकारी राज्य कहते हैं, at that time the development of administrative law की basic foundation जो है वो start हुई. जब हम basic feature of administrative law study करते हैं तो उसमें first and utmost important principle, that is doctrine of separation of power. Constitution of India, which is the suprema lex, supreme law of the land, provides various provisions जहाँ पर हमें separation of power की doctrine principle को हम देख सकते हैं. For example, Article 50 expressly mention करता है separation of executive from judiciary. Article 53 ये provision provide करता है that president is the executive head of the union. Article 245, Article 246 read with 7th schedule provides that law-making power shall be vested to the parliament and state legislative. The Constitution of USA is a very good example of separation of power doctrine. Article 1, Article 2 and Article 3 of United States of America provides express provision for separation of power. Montesquieu, in his book Spirit of Laws, has recognized the doctrine of separation of power. Apart from this, the other feature of separation of power is delegated legislation, जिसे हम प्रत्यायोजित विधान कहते हैं हिंदी में. ये एक एक्सेप्शन, एक अपवाद की तरह भी है सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर का. कॉज लॉ मेकिंग जो पावर है वो पार्लियामेंट का या लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली का एक पावर है, उनका फंक्शन है. बट डेलीगेटेड लेजिस्लेशन में जो लॉ बनाया जाता है वो डेलीगेट कर दिया जाता है. इसके पीछे वेरियस रीजंस हैं, जैसे कि आज के टाइम पर बहुत सारे लॉज हैं. मॉडर्न हम वर्ल्ड में जब हम देखते हैं तो टेक्नोलॉजी लॉ है, एनवायरमेंटल लॉ है, साइबर लॉ है, प्रॉपर्टी लॉ है, बैंकिंग लॉ है. तो जब इतने डायनेमिक लॉ है तो हमको एक्सपर्टीज चाहिए होती है. दैट इज़ वाई बहुत बार लॉ को जो लॉ बनाने का बेसिक फ्रेमवर्क पार्लियामेंट बनाती है या फिर किसी स्टेट की लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली बनाती है, और रेस्ट जो है रूल मेकिंग पावर वो डेलीगेट कर दिए जाते हैं. अनदर basic feature of administrative law is rule of law, that includes equality before law, supremacy of law, and legal predominant spirit of law. Another basic feature of administrative law is principle of natural justice, flexibility, administrative tribunal, judicial review, जो प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नेचुरल जस्टिस है, दैट इंक्लूड्स two main principles such as odi alteram partem and nemo judax in quasi sui, which means no one can be judge of their own cause, nemo judax in quasi sui, and odi alteram partem, which means right of fair hearing. So आप जो हमारा नोबल ऑब्जेक्टिव है टू स्प्रेड एजुकेशन, आप भी इसके साथ जुड़ सकते हैं। आप हमारी जो वीडियोस हैं, अपकमिंग वीडियोस हैं, आप इसको लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और कमेंट डाउन करिए कि आपको क्या लीगल कंटेंट चाहिए या करियर गाइडेंस चाहिए।